friends, a very warm welcome to you all on the day 16 of the 28 days abundance mindset challenge. I'm so excited to have you all on this journey with me, and I'm so excited that we have reached the day 16 of our 28 days abundance challenge. So today we will be focusing on something which is really important for our life. It is something which we constantly strive on. Can anybody guess what is it? Yes, it is our own health, it is our own physical body. We all want a strong and a healthy body. We do strive for it on a daily basis. Some of us will go for jogging, some of us will go for a long 1 hour walk, some of us might go and hit the gym, some of us might join the yoga classes, and so on. But we all do involve in some or the other activity to keep ourselves fit and healthy. But sometimes we still see that there is something which is lagging in our health, and that is something which we have to improvise on. So this is the day for you all if you are in that group of people who feel that there is something lagging and there is something which needs to be changed. So let's start to work towards getting abundance in our physical health. Today, what I want you all to do that in this exercise we'll have three parts to it. And first we'll focus on the first part. Focus on your past where you had an instances where you were at a good health and you had proper healthy body. Maybe you might have lost 5 to 10 kgs by doing workout. Maybe you might have overcome some particular kind of illness, maybe a fever, anything. You might be suffering from some this disease for 2 months and today you got freedom from that. That can be a occasion. You might have got a slim body. You might have got a six-pack ab. That was your desire and you achieved it. Maybe you got and Mr. ABC award, maybe Mr. Maharashtra, Mr. Chandigarh, any of that award for the body, for the physique that you have. Think of those energetic moments of your life. Think of those moments when where you were at the top of the world. Give the deepest blessings for the body which was there with you when you were at the top of the world. Because if you were at the top of the world, but your body was not supporting you, your position will not matter. Feel your deepest gratitude for that body. Give your blessings to that body and to that health which you had in your past. Now, let's come to the second point. Once you have concentrated on something that you had in your past, today at this stage, you have to concentrate on something which is working now. Today, you might be feeling ill, you might be having some cardiac diseases, you might be suffering from some uh, fever, or so on and so forth. But my friends, fever can affect one part of your body, cardiac can affect one part of your body, something can affect the other part of the body. But my friends, there are other parts of the body which are fully functioning and fully working. There are the hands, you have your hands, you have your legs, you have your mind, you have your eyes, you have your ears, you have your nose, you have your body, you have a heart which is functioning day in, day out, you have ears who are constantly open to make you aware of what is going on in your surrounding. You have your eyes to see the world, see the beauty of the world. Give your deepest gratitude for whatever you think you have at this moment. Even if you are suffering from a cardiac disease, you can bless your body for having a fit and proper body. You can bless your legs, you can bless your hands, you can bless your fingers, you can bless your tongue, which is helping you to taste the food and everything. You can bless your nose because of which you are able to inhale, exhale the air. You can bless your eyes because of which you are able to see the world. So my friends, one point, one part of your body might be misfunctioning, but for that misfunctioning of one small part of your body, you can't start cursing your whole body. Your body should be blessed. Your body should be praised. Your body should be preached. It is something which is there with you till the time at this moment of your life. Throughout, from your birth, it is there with you. And my friends, till your own death, it will be there with you. So, you should constantly keep blessing your body. You should constantly give the gratitude to the universe that the universe has blessed you with this body which is functioning perfectly. If at all it is still not functioning perfectly, there will be some parts of your body which will be functioning perfectly. For that, you should bless the body. So give your deepest gratitude, give the blessings for each of them. Choose one thing now. Let's take one more point. Suppose today you are suffering from heart diseases, or for that matter, you are suffering from vision diseases, or for that matter, you are suffering from some disease in your body, a kidney disorder, liver disorder, be it anything, whatever, maybe a backache, maybe a stomach ache, whatever disease you are suffering from. If you want to treat that, you have to do this exercise which I am sharing with you. Choose one point which you want to improve on. Spend 1 minute visualizing yourself, and you are reached a stage where that part of your body is functioning totally fine. It has improved and it is functioning as it is supposed to. Let's take an example. Today, because of some accident or something, if my arm or if my hand is not working properly and my hand is immobilized, I can visualize that my hand is perfectly fine and I can able to do this, I can able to do that. Do all these things in your mind, in your visualization, and give your deepest gratitude to the universe that yes, you have achieved the stage where your hand is now perfectly mobile and you have no problems at all. This will give you an inner strength to heal your hand. And at the same time, give your deepest gratitude and give your blessings to the hand because it was there with you, it is there with you throughout your life. And because of this hand, you have been able to do so many numerous things in your past. And do this. This is your third point which I wanted to share with you all. First, you have to give the gratitude for the past where you had a good health. Second, you have to give the gratitude for the good things which you are having now. And third exercise was to give gratitude to that part, to give the blessings to that part which you want to improve on. And then that's it. You will see magic happening in your life, and you will soon see that your body is getting rejuvenated, it's becoming better and better, and it's becoming healthier and healthier. With this, my friends, I come to the end of the day 16 of this 28 days abundance mindset challenge. And with this, just to summarize what you have to do today on day 16, first, you have to do the counting of your blessings. Second, you have to do the three exercises which I shared with you. Blessings for the past health, blessing for the current functioning parts of your body, and third, blessing that specific part of your body which you need to improve on. And finally, the rock exercise which I shared with you all on the day 3. So with this, I finally come to the end of the day 16. I'll see you in the next day, which is the day 17, where we'll keep doing something, some other form of exercise, which will help us to take more and more steps towards our own abundance mindset. So with this, I finally come to the end of this. Wish you all a lot and lot of abundance in your life. Goodbye. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.